Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now.
Huh?
Just fly that way. Off into the... Yeah, thank you.
Oh.
Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. That I hate.
Oh, sorry, Flick.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here,
Hello.
throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This part's my favorite.
Oh! Come on, keep on coming! Chili's on a roll!
Hey! What are you guys trying to pull?
Hey! Watch it! You're messing up my act! Hold still!
Bug off! Hey!
In case you hadn't noticed, all right.
You miss! No one makes a fool of Chili, man! Come back here and die like a bug!
All right, well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the Terminator.
You couldn't hurt a flea!
Oh no? I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Oh, is everybody all right out there? Oh, I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh, my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flick.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let him in, Claire.
Hey! Come back here, man!
No way! You'll never catch me!
Flick, the target's moved.
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Blow! Who's gonna blow?
Oh, boy.
Oh, Claire. Oh, lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry. It'll clear.
Flick, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made the honorary bugs.
Honorary what? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You're still alive? This means war! Hornets, arm your stingers and attack! I'm going in for the sting! Yeah! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Jump! bars, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Flick, what do we do now? Bring out the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, we'll just have to wing it, huh? Cue the finale! Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't seem to care that it's tough to be a bug. But you guys should, because we make your world one honey of a place.
It's a piece of cake.
And it's moldy!
Oh, no, you don't!
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely.
Little room here, how about it, huh?
At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
Please exit through the doors to your right. As you exit, please deposit your bug eyes outside the theater. Unless you're a real bug, of course.